Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Nikomi Hamburger Steak. Nikomi means stewed, and we cook the Japanese-style hamburger steak, or Hambagu, in flavorful brown sauce with mushroom and onion. These are the ingredients. For more information and complete recipe, please go to our website, japanesecooking101.com. First, we are going to prep the vegetables. Slice 1/2 of an onion thinly. This will be used for the sauce. And separate the shimeji mushroom, or you can use any kind of mushroom you like, and set aside. Now this time, chop the rest of the onion finely. This will be mixed in the patties. In a bowl, we add the chopped onion, ground beef and pork, panko breadcrumb, egg, salt, and pepper, and mix very well by hand. We are mixing beef and pork for flavor and texture, but you can also just use one kind of ground meat if you like. Divide the mixture into 4 pieces and form flat oval shapes, like that. In a large frying pan, heat oil at medium-high heat. Put the meat patties in the pan and cook. When one side is browned, turn over and cover and cook for a few minutes. Take them out onto a plate and set aside. The meat does not need to be cooked completely at this point. Clean the pan and heat the butter at medium heat. And cook sliced onion and mushrooms until soft. Sprinkle with flour and cook for a couple of more minutes. Add the chicken broth, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. Stir and cook for a minute. And add the cooked patties in the sauce. Cover and cook for 10 more minutes. Now it's ready to serve. This also freezes well, so you can make extra and enjoy them for busy weeknight dinner. Cooked in a rich, flavorful sauce, the meat is very moist. We hope you give this a try soon.